Well, it wasn't a great day yesterday, and today we're planning to arrive to Vilnius, and along the way collect all the points we haven't collected yesterday. So unfortunately we won't have time to see everything, and we'll just drive across and mark them in the phone. The sad thing is that it makes you realize how hard it is to travel a whole country in 2 weeks. As we see today, we chose an hotel. There was a complication yesterday with the camping. Let's see what the day brings us and just enjoy the day.
Our idea is to cross all the 60 municipalities of Lithuania and see as much as we can in 2 weeks. Do you think we can make it?
Having a lovely morning breakfast in Lithuania, and today I'm trying varškėtukai. So this is like this varškė, this cheese, and it's deep fried, and inside it depends on how you cook it. So it could be more or less creamy, but this one seems like it's very, very creamy on the inside.
Yeah. Oh, looks good, the consistency, yeah.
I'm gonna try it. It's like having a fried cheese. Sweet cheese, fried sweet cheese in the morning. Let's try with some sour cream and some jam.
Yeah, you always
Some
eat
sweet.
it with some dips.
Okay. It's really good, really nice. It's all in the texture, I think. For me, this would be more like a dessert than breakfast. But today I'm going wild. Who cares, right? But this will do for a very pleasant breakfast. Indeed, you should try it when you come here to Lithuania. Varškėtukai, don't forget that.
Now filled with energy, we kick off our day in Molėtai. Our mission? To reach Vilnius before the sun sets. Will we make it in time to explore the coolest spots along the way? Let's find out.
Labas rytas! We're gonna get Molėtai magnetukas. Where is the information center?
Don't know, one of these. This is žūklė, stuff for fishing.
Pika non hotel. Pika, I would guess it's pizza in Lithuanian.
It's not pika, it's pizza.
It's pizza.
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 C, it's C. Pizzeria.
Ah, that's
C.
I thought it was pika.
No.
Oh, okay. I had a lot of artists.
Molėtai. Oh, this is the observatory, we didn't even go to the ethnocosmology, the aliens and stuff. It's observatory at night, and at daytime it's a museum.
We've walked a lot, and we found out that it's just next to the parking lot. It's there. The big eye is where we have to go. Labas rytas. Prašiau vieną Molėtai magnetukas.
Here.
Okay, thank you.
It's 180.
180. Oh, perfect. Every magnet is a different price, because you have some that are like 250. We have to go to the Astronomical Museum.
Very beautiful.
We're leaving town and heading straight to Molėtai Astronomical Observatory, a spot that's been on our must-visit list since the start of this trip. It's the largest and oldest astronomical observatory in Lithuania, housing the most powerful telescopes in the Baltic states.
Maybe in Lithuania I can give it.
Oh yeah, I can start learning a little bit.
Because the whole story starts from those buildings. We have red building over there and we have a dome there. It's Molėtai Astronomical Observatory. It's been built in 1969 and operating since that date. And during that mission, they gathering money for cancer researchers, and they gathered more than $200 million. Zacharias really believed in humans' connections with nature, so he dedicated a lot of time to fulfill that beautiful garden. So if you have a few more minutes after the tour, you can take some time and explore that beautiful garden as well.
The skies, but maybe
on this side and on another side, you can see polished side. It's like a mixture of stones and iron.
Like polished, no?
Yeah, polished. Yeah, that's totally true. You can see satellite, and it is made by company Avionics. Now they are like leading company in space technologies in Lithuania. We have around 40 satellites flying around the Earth at this moment.
We got 2 pieces of meteorite. This one to carry with me at all times, and this as a souvenir. So this is Campo del Cielo, the one that's like 98% iron, 2% nickel, I think.
Very nice.
Imagine carrying a piece of space with you.
And the
at all
other one
times.
was Vaca
This is
Muerta.
iron. This is not Vaca Muerta. This is another one. Yeah, but it's also iron in part. I don't know. At the observatory, they let you use the telescopes for stargazing in one of the most pristine night skies in the region. And here I am, chatting with a friendly folk we found in the control center.
Give him a name.
Stevie.
Yeah, it was Stabby.
Stevie, I am Stevie. He came a long way to see me here in Lithuania, and we met here for a coffee. I'm here just collecting space trash right now, so I'm doing my duty. It looks like a game, but it's not. It's actually real life trash. Goodbye, Stevie. You're landing on planet Earth. It was good to see you. See you next time, maybe in the Canary Island. He's also a cousin of Shrek, if you haven't noticed yet.
The road to Švenčionys is going to be a long one, but we're ready to make the most of it and explore the charm of the small towns down the road.
Like the village people come here, you know, look, those old dudes with bellies out.
Just last
He's out and not wearing a shirt. They had to put up a sign. No, I can't stomach the meat.
Surrealis? Yes. Yes?
I asked her if they have a bathroom in this town. She said, behind the apple tree, go. No, there's like an actual bathroom behind the apple tree. I bet. I hope. I don't know.
Bathroom, huh? Labanoras. It's what an amazing town. We just stopped for some snacks, some surrealis. It's made with varškė cheese. And we are on our way. We just wanted to go through the woods and see some of the most traditional Lithuanian villages. And look at that. More traditional than this, you cannot get anywhere.
Tradition. Hot dogs by the road from Viada. Holy shit. It's a wasabi hot dog. Oh my god. It went into my nose. Oh my god. Fuck. Grenades wasabi, man. I don't know what this is. Radish. Oh my god.
Radish, yeah.
Radish. Holy shit. I like it. What?
I didn't even feel it.
You buy while Patricia cleans herself.
It's suits you well.
For me, it should actually be chicken wings.
Kinas.
Movies. Kinas is movie.
Go.
Maybe it's up there. I don't know where we're going.
Looks like a school.
What does it say here? Varškėtukai. So, what's this?
Švenčionys.
Surink Lietuva. Well, she's from here, yeah. But I am Portuguese, yeah.
Nu, iš ten atvažiavote, ne?
Jo.
Europe Geographical Center in Vilnius district. It's somewhere around here, next to, well, surrounded by a golf club, but we just stumbled upon because we thought that was actually the center, but it was just a golf center. I doubt it's open. I came all this way. Oh no.
It says until 5. Here it says
not
until
5.
5.
Labadina, Vicky. Hello.
Maybe one of the fishes can give you the magnet.
Seems like no one's around, so we'll have to mark this one online. Well, at least let's see the Geographical Center of Europe. That's why we're here, right? The magnet is just a side quest. Since 2004 this has been considered the Geographic Center of Europe due to the calculations that some French scientists did, including the Canary Island, the Azores, and I think Iceland as well. In this town, just 23 kilometers from Vilnius, the Geographic Center of Europe stands tall.
We finally made it to Vilnius. Now it's time to dive into the city, enjoy some amazing food, experience the nightlife, and explore everything this incredible place has to offer. Don't miss the next episode because it's going to be all about Vilnius.